Okay, we are good. Good day, everyone. So this is Jasper, and together with Heinz, we are going to uh, unbox this product, Empyre, Heroclix Empyre set. So this set has been released, but in the Philippines, we only got this today. Okay, so just to do a quick obligatory look at the box. At front, we have Spider-Man and Wolverine. Top, we have Koi. Side, we have Avengers, Hulkling, and the Kree Empire. Other side, we have Fantastic Four, and we have the Venomized X-Men. And of course, at the back, we have the Chase King Thor. Okay. So we have one case to unbox, meaning we have 10 boosters. And as you can see here, there's a legacy card for each of the brick. Okay, so one brick is 10 boosters, 2 bricks makes one case. So we have this, and we have another partner booster. Anyway, so what are we hoping to see, Heinz? What do you want to get?
We got lucky. I mean, I got lucky last the brick that we opened from another group. So yeah, let's hope that we can get the Thor, of course. But Jasper, I think, wants an X-Men.
Venom Magneto or Venom Wolverine. That's what we want. At any X-Men somewhat goes automatically to me, and then Heinz will get all the other stuff, the Doctor Dooms, the Surfer, the Fantastic Four, Avengers. Okay, so anyway, let's see. I will cut it. We have to do this a little quickly because I think Joey's unboxing is at 4:30. So sorry for the noise. Okay, I'm keeping it here on the side. Let me see if I can position it. Anyway, I'm just gonna pull it out. Where do you want to begin, Heinz? Left, right, front, back?
Any? Let's go for right.
Yeah. Right side, front or back?
Front.
Front. Okay, so this is the front. So basically, we're not gonna say whose brick goes to who because we just pick figures after we unbox everything. So this is the right front side. So a very light box. Okay. Let's see who we have. Okay. We would have done it face-to-face in a Japanese restaurant if there's no COVID, but oh well. Okay, so we have, SR Kral. Super Skrull. Yeah, so that's definitely Heinz. Okay. Cyclops, regular. The Tick, She-Hulk. Tick. Is that pronounced correctly? Ting. We got something. And then we have another Tick girl, Jean Grey. Okay. So good. First booster, super rare, always a good sign. I'll just work on them later. I'll just collate them later. Second booster, right side, bottom back. Rightmost back. Okay. C. Okay. We are hoping for 3 cases in this case. Because usually it's 2 for this, 1 per brick, but there were some cases that had 3 chases. Okay, second booster, Human Torch, Wasp, Jubilee, Roland, Skrull, X-Men Skrull, and Spider-Man. Okay, so the rare is the Roland Skrull. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but he's an X-Men Skrull. So that might end up with me, or Heinz also because it's a Skrull. We're going right. front, second to the right, front. We'll keep the center last. Okay. Let's see. We want to see bubble wrap. Bubble wraps are good.
Yes.
Let me take out the card so as not to preempt anything. Okay. We have, who's this one? Sabin. We have Taskmaster. We have another Skrull, Black Bolt Skrull. We have Ghost Rider and Iron Man. Okay, so the rare is Taskmaster. So I think Heinz already have a Taskmaster, so this might end up for me. Okay, you don't want any duplicate, of course, or keep the duplicate minimum. Okay, this the third, second to the right, back. Okay. Rushing for the 430. No, if not, we can do one break and then the other one.
Yes.
Later.
I want to watch the other group.
The other group. Okay. We have another Skrull. This is the rare Skrull Princess Beranke. We have the uncommon Brawn, which is, I think, Amadeus Cho. We have Rocket Raccoon from the Guardians of the Galaxy. We have
Soldier,
Kree Soldier, and Storm. The rare Storm Rogue. Ano ba? Rogue. And the rare is the Skrull Princess. So good. We have Skrull and we have X-Men on that booster. We go to the left side front. Let's see. Okay, so we have another Human Torch. I think this is just a common Human Torch. Okay, we have Invincible woman. Okay, so she's matured, so she's a woman. So we have Loki. Okay. Oh, I think we have Scarlet Witch and another super rare, Fantastic Four, Mr. Fantastic Super Rare. So again, Fantastic Four is Heinz. I have Scarlet Witch, that's X-Men, so that might be for me. So we have leftmost back row. Okay. We're hoping for, I want to get like Venom Rogue. That's what I want. Super rare Venom Rogue. So we already have how many super rare? 2. So we're expecting one more, as there's usually, 3 super rares in a case. Okay. Next booster. Oh, what is this? I see.
Interesting.
This is it's our chase.
Oh, it's
our chase is Sentry.
Oh, that's yours.
It's I think X-Men.
Yes.
Horsemen of Apocalypse. So we have
Phoenix,
Venom,
Venom
Girl, Venom Cyclops, Venom Onome, Onome and
Rogue.
Onome and Rogue.
Oh, congratulations.
We have our chase. Oh, we wanted the Wolverine, but it's okay. Let me just check if the card is here, especially for chases. You want to check that the card is there. So the card is here for Sentry. So yeah, we hope to get 3 chases in this particular case. Okay, we're doing second to the left front. Okay. I'll give you the link later for Joey's unboxing so you can watch. Okay. Okay, let's see. One more super rare. Okay, so we have here a common Skrull Spy, common Marvel Girl, Captain Marvel Girl. Wolverine, and I see a Quicksilver. And a prime. Prime is T'Chaka. T'Chaka the second. So a Black Panther prime. It's a rare prime. Okay, so yeah, very hard to kill because of his trait. Good for Avengers team. Okay, so we have left, second to the left, backside. Okay, we're still looking for one more super rare and possibly a second chase. A second chase in this break. Let's pray to have that second chase. Okay, so we have here Daredevil. We have Deadpool, Shark with the baby shark. We have Kree Soldier. We have Bedlam. No, Beldan and Bedlam. And we have Hulkling. So the rare is the Deadpool.
And you can get the Deadpool.
Because Heinz already pulled the Deadpool earlier. So we're going to the center. Yeah. Center, front first. Front.
The winning
spot. Okay, so come on, another chase. So one of the two should be a super rare, but I hope we also get a chase. Okay, so we have Magneto. We have Golden Oldie. We have Skrull, Black Bolt, Storm, and Captain Marvel. Ah, so Magneto is the rare. So Magneto, rare. Okay, that's fine. And finally, this should be a super rare. Looking for a good super rare. Okay, this is middle backside. Okay, so we got here, I already saw it, the spoiler, it's Koi. Okay, so the main villain for the storyline. Koi, right, Raxor, She-Hulk, Beast, and Spider-Man. So that's for our first brick. Of course, before we wrap this first video, Koi generating bystanders, so that's good. Let's open up our legacy card and see what we have. So the legacy cards, as you know, will make the old figures modern again, legal in modern. So let's see who we have. We have this one, Captain America. Okay, but we don't have a lot of old figures, so we can probably see if this is possible for trade, or we can try to get the figure. So this Captain America from the Ultimates set. Okay, so they made the legacy card thicker now, so that's good. And the foiling is already much improved, so it's already readable. So again, that is our first break, and we'll see you on break number 2. How do I stop? Yeah.